Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So there's been a lot of questions I've been getting. There's really just one question. Jay, why haven't you gotten, where's your Pixel 2 at? Well, you know, it kind of took some time, but I decided I'm just going to wait it out until Google does some more updates until I find that I'm going to get a good product. Now, here's the thing. There's a ton of people out there posting videos about the Google Pixel 2 being fantastic. All right, the cameras is probably the only thing that I had a problem with last time. Love the device, but I was watching DeCoin again. She hit me up on Twitter a while back. I'll leave a link to her video in the description channel. But I was just watching her again. I just hit her up on Twitter. She hit me up on Twitter, and I couldn't find the post, so I couldn't respond. So, and I finally found her. Shout out to LaShawn for helping me find her again. Point is, she's having the same problem I had with my Pixel. The only difference is she got a new unit and it's the same thing. And then it turns out there's a ton of people out there that have the Google Pixel 2 with those same camera issues that I had, that hazing, really washed out look on the front camera. Now, this is a deterrent for me. So shout out to Reggie Yu. He just got his camera. He says it's fantastic. But there are a number of us that were affected by this bug, I guess you want to call it, or just having a bad unit. That is the only reason, to answer that question directly, that I don't have the Pixel 2. Now, I have a question. Everyone out there in that video pretty much said, oh, you're the only one with a bad review of this phone. It wasn't so much a bad review of the phone, the camera was messed up. So I can only go on what I had in hand. Now, yes, I could have went through an exchange and everything, but I just didn't trust it. I mean, that was $700, and I don't have $700 to float around with Google or any other company giving me devices back and forth. Give me a good product up front. So that's where I'm at with the Google Pixel 2. Do I want it again? Of course I do. I really like that phone. But in essence, when I think about it, man, I have so many Android phones, but one Android phone I'm really, I shouldn't say in love with, but two Android phones that I'm really liking right now is the S8 and the Galaxy Note 8. Those two phones for Android, the cameras are boss. I mean, they are really, really, really good cameras on there. So the fact that Google is supposed to have the highest DxO mark, I know DxO mark is full of crap, but the cameras that I've seen some footage from people, I've seen them put out some fantastic footage, but that's because their phone works. Now, you ask yourself, would you want to keep exchanging phones after you spent your money? I decided to pull out the first time, and I'm staying out until I know for sure that Google has addressed the issue, because if you search online, you will see a ton of people that have the same issue I had. And again, shout out to DeCoin. I'll link her video down below, and you can see her video footage. She has an updated video that just released a few days ago or 2 days ago, and she's got the exact, she's done a couple of videos on this, but she has got her camera, like several other people, is not good. So if you have a Pixel 2, and let me say this, cameras are subjective anyway. Some people say one camera looks great, some people say another camera looks great. But when you have a camera that's messed up and it's broken or something like that, yeah, there's no getting around that. Broken is broken. And I think Google has a software bug in some of their Pixels. Like the first Pixel that came out, it has some camera issues, and they had to address that. It's the same thing with this one. So, you know, personally, I feel like they should have just let HTC catch that next Pixel device and kept it moving, and they wouldn't have had those problems. But that's what they get. So it's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.